Viewers, hello, welcome at our channel. Today we will teach you about Lisp file, which is dim.exp. How to export dimension text from AutoCAD to Excel sheet. So let's start. This is our AutoCAD, and for example, this is your road alignment, this is center line, and these are the ROW, your land limit. So sometimes you need offset that this land how much far away from center, both side, and you need list changes wise. For example, see, like this. Like this you need in Excel. So how you export this? Okay, let's start. This is center line and these are the changes. So you have to take offset first. So first of all, take perpendicular of center line. Offset command use. I am taking any offset, for example 30. It should be out from this ROW, like this. Okay, now create separate layer for this offset. Now polyline, draw this polyline, and this polyline is perpendicular to the center line. Now take array command, array, enter. Okay, select the object, select this polyline, enter. Now path, click on path and give path. What is path? Path is this center line. You have to click on this center line. Now we have to take this offset at 10 meter interval. So simply type here in this between button, type here 10, enter, again enter. So this is our perpendicular at 10 meter interval. Okay, now explode this array, explode. Now these are different lines. Delete this line, delete this line, and trim all these lines which are outer from this ROW. Okay, so for this trim you have two options. One option is xtrim command. With this command, xtrim command, enter, select this and click outside. So all this trimmed in one command. Okay, in next video we will teach you in detail this command, like this. Now these are our offset. Okay, so for example, you need from this chainage to this chainage. You can take 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer also, but for showing tutorial to you, I am taking only this 100 meter. Okay, this is our left side. Suppose that this is our left side and this is our right side. Okay, so wait 1 minute. Suppose that this is our Excel sheet. Wait 1 minute. Suppose that this is our Excel sheet and this is chainage. For better understanding, put this chainage center and this LHS offset from PCL. Okay, and here RHS offset from PCL, and this is serial number. Suppose that we need this in 1 kilometer. Suppose that. Okay, type here chain edges. What is our chain edges? Our chain edges start from 500 000. Next 500 010. So these are our chain edges till yet our chain edges up to 100. So now this is point to learn. Take aligned dimension command, and you have to start mark this dimension from end. End means last chain edge which you have to mention. See, understand this point, this is main point. Last chain edge is 500 plus 100. We take this export dimension up to here. Okay, so if you need serial like this, you have to start your dimension from here. Okay, like this. Continue, you can mark dimension like this. Okay, now this is done. We have to export the serial number, continue from here to here up to here. Okay, so now use load that Lisp file name is DIMEXP. This Lisp file used for export dimension text to Excel. Now I will load this file. For this use appload appload command. This used for loading the Lisp application. Okay, enter. Now select the file where you have store that. Okay, now I have stored that at desktop, so I will click on desktop, and this is DIMEXP. This is my Lisp file. I will load this, load, close. Okay, now what you have to type here? You have to type here DIMEXP and enter. Now you see here your dimension has exported. And where is it? It is at desktop, from where you take this file. Okay, so this file has exported. Now what you have to do? Select this, copy this, and come to this sheet, paste here, and paste special transpose. You have to put transpose. This is also special thing you have to do. Okay, now check here. You can see now 500 plus 000. What is the offset? 17.559. Now check here, 17.559, because this is two digit. Okay, put this in 2 digit. That is more understandable for you also. 17.56, 17.56. At this 20.36, 20.36. Same like last 19.76, 19.76. Okay, so like this you can create offset same like this for right side also. And in kilometers you can take all offsets in kilometers in 10 to 15 minutes only. Okay, so this command is very useful for highway work and for taking the offset from center line, and we can export this text and make simple Excel sheet for site work or for any use. Okay, hope you can understand this. So thank you for watch this our channel, this video. If you like this, so please like, share and comment, and if you are new then please subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you.